Hello, beautiful people. I welcome you to Life For Sharon. Today, I welcome you to the heart and the soul of West African cuisine, where every grain of rice tells a story of flavor, passion, and tradition. Prepare to embark on a culinary journey to Ghana, where the vibrant colors and the aromatic spices of our beloved jollof rice reign supreme. Join me as I unveil the secrets behind this highly coveted dish, a recipe so irresistible that it leaves taste buds tingling and hearts yearning for more. Get ready to tantalize your senses and discover the magic of Ghanaian jollof like never before. So I have here with me beef chunks, aniseed, rosemary, bay leaf, ginger, garlic, pepper, onions, stock cubes, nutmeg, garlic powder, white pepper, oregano, thyme, curry, tomato paste, and more aniseed. That's all we need. We have our oil, we have our rice, our blended tomato. Yes, so that's all we need for this recipe. You have the best jollof you've ever tasted in your life. Let's go ahead and start. So we start by seasoning our beef. This is our garlic powder, black pepper, rosemary, and our beef seasoning. We mix all together. It's a little dry, so I'll add a bit of water. We mix all together and set aside for a while. So our stock is well mixed with our beef. We proceed by blending our onion, our pepper, our ginger, our garlic, our bay leaf, our rosemary, and aniseed together. Our mixture is ready. We are going to set aside for a while. We'll use it later. So you pour our oil into our pan and wait for about 5 minutes till it's very hot. Okay, so our oil is ready. We pour in our beef, our seasoned beef. Let it fry so you can see it's well cooked. So now our beef is cooked. We now pour in our onions. Let the onion cook for a while. Let's say about 4 minutes. So our 4 minutes is up. Our onion is fried. We add in some bay leaves, about a tablespoon rosemary, then a little bit of our aniseed. You know why I'm frying this? When you fry your spices, it brings out the right aroma. The aroma is more than you just put it inside. You have to fry your spices. It brings out very good aroma. So now our anise seed, our bay leaf, and our rosemary is well fried. We go ahead and add a little bit of white pepper. We add in, we throw in some thyme and oregano. Lastly, we add some curry powder. We fry all this together. Yeah. So let's let this fry for about 4 minutes, then we proceed. Our spices are well fried. Now we are going to add in our tomato paste. My tomato paste is not too big, that's why I'm using for. So let this fry for about 7 to 8 minutes. Okay, so our tomato paste is well fried. Now we are going to add in our ginger, garlic, onion blend, what we did from the beginning. Yes, so we are going to add it in. You stir it well. You leave this on for 10 minutes, but keep checking on your food if you're using a very high heat. Okay, so our stew has been cooking for 10 minutes now. We'll now add in our blended tomatoes. Do not add too much, else your stew, your jollof will be soggy. Like, don't add too much. Be careful with the tomatoes here. Okay, so we'll leave this also to cook for 10 minutes. Okay, so now our tomato is well cooked. We now throw in our stock cube. I've already grinded mine because it's very hard. So this is stock cube, about 2 stock cubes. You throw that inside. Then you add a tablespoon of nutmeg. You let it cook for about 2 minutes, then your jollof stew is ready. So now we've tasted for salt, our stock cube, everything is like perfect. So that's what you're supposed to do. You have to check for salt and all other things and make sure you are okay with whatever result you have gotten. Like, you are okay with this, then you pour in your rice. You stir, you give it a very good stir. You make it fry for about 5 minutes. So let's then let it fry for about 5 minutes. The stew shouldn't be too much and it shouldn't be too little. One secret about jollof is you use less water. Okay, so we've been stirring this jollof rice for about 5 minutes now. It's time to pour water inside. Be careful with the water, please. Okay. So now we'll throw in some salt. You taste for and make sure your salt is okay. Low heat. It shouldn't be on high heat, else your jollof will burn. Then you cover it. You keep checking on this food every 10 minutes to make sure it's not burning. Close it. You make sure you leave it on very low heat, and you check on your jollof every now and then, say every 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. Let's check on our jollof. How is it doing? Smelling so good. You give it a very good stir to make sure nothing is stuck down there under the pan. Now let's cover it with the aluminium foil so it will retain the heat. Remember, we didn't put a lot of water inside, so the heat is going to cook the jollof for us. We want our jollof to be like, you know, very attractive and nice. We don't want it to be stuck to each other like that. Okay, my lovely people, let's check on our jollof. Yummy. So if you are a veggie lover like myself, then you throw in some veggies. These are some bell peppers and carrots. Our jollof is coming up so nicely. Oh, wow. You make sure your veggies are all mixed well. Then you cover it again for like 10 minutes. You should really try this recipe and get back to me, please. So let's wait for 10 minutes. So the unveiling. Our jollof rice is ready. Oh my God. Can you see? Can you see how it's looking? Wow. Try this recipe and let me know what you think. Okay, beautiful people, celebrate the symphony of flavors and the richness of tradition that Ghana Jollof embodies. With every savory spoonful, we've tasted the essence of togetherness and the magic of culinary mastery. From my kitchen to yours, bon appetit! Happy cooking! And the name is Life Worth Sharing. If it's not worth it, we ain't sharing. Bye!